Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change applications that use premium text messages services in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So we need to go to settings, then we are looking for applications menu, here it is. And at the top we have three dots menu and special access. And here we have use premium text message services. So right now we have no application that use this service, but if you are looking for this function, it will be hidden there. That's all. I hope you find this helpful. Subscribe, like, etc. See you in the next video. Goodbye.